The test kitchen is basically Virgin Voyages' answer to a chef table on other cruise lines. But instead of a table full of people, it's a whole restaurant full of people. The food is experimental, beautifully plated, and delicious. My rule is, when I do a tasting, that I at least try one bite before I offer it up to my husband because I don't like it. My husband was disappointed that evening because he got nothing from me. I urge you to go in with an open mind, and unless you're allergic to something, give everything at least a try. You might surprise yourself. When we sailed, there was not an upcharge for this food, but you could get a cocktail pairing or beer pairing at an extra fee.